Welcome to the TDM Windows installation video. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step installation of TDM on a Windows environment. 1. First, open PowerShell and extract the TDM installation folder. This will create a folder named TDM, containing multiple files and subfolders. The exact folder structure may vary depending on the package. The extraction process may take around 5 to 10 minutes. 2. Next, load the Docker images. Run the config.ps1 load_images command. Three. To verify that the images have been loaded successfully, run Docker images. 4. Now, place the certificate files into the TDM router directory. 5. Open the configuration file using Notepad. 6. Uncomment the relevant lines, and enter the correct names of your certificate files. 7. Save and close the file. 8. Next, open PowerShell again and start the installation with TDM setup command. 9. You will be prompted to enter the following information: base hostname for the TDM application, SDM hostname, SDM database configuration values, host, port, and database name, schema name, database username and password. The script will encrypt the database credentials and update the configuration files accordingly. 10. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the API credential parameters. SDM encryption key, API username and password, admin privileges are required. The script will now import the required SQL schema files into the database. 11. When prompted for a setup option, choose Standalone to proceed with local SDM integration. 12. You will then be asked to provide SDM integration parameters, obt_home. SDM_dir. The script will complete the SDM integration and display a summary of the setup. 13. Now, restart the SDM server. 14. Open your browser and access the SDM interface. 15. Return to PowerShell and start the TDM services by running Docker compose up. 16. Check that the services are running with Docker PS. 17. Finally, log into the SDM interface and navigate to the TDM. 18. As you can see, the TDM installation has been successfully completed. We hope you found it helpful. See you in the next video.